Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you that how you can check unread messages on Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to open the Roblox application on your device. Once you do so, tap on More. Once you tap on More, you will find the messages right here. So in this menu, you need to tap on the messages. And here you will find all the messages that you received either from Roblox or from your friends or anyone that is on Roblox that can send you a message. So you will find your inbox here, the messages that you received. You can find the sent one here, and there is news. And if you archived some messages, you can find them here. So guys, this is all it takes to check the unread messages on Roblox. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.